Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Substack publisher account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you upload your subscriber email list to your Substack account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your subscriber or your email list into Substack anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep in touch with your email subscribers. And maybe you're switching that system over to Substack. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Substack publisher account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Substack account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and upload an email list into your Substack account, you're going to click on this top menu here. There's these 8 different buttons. Click on subscribers. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the subscriber section. You can see I just have 1 subscriber in this particular account. However, in order to upload a spreadsheet of your email list, scroll down to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this section here called all subscribers. And in order to upload an email list, click here on add subscribers. It has a plus icon next to it. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and upload an email subscriber list to your Substack. So up here on the top, you get this option. You can add subscribers one by one. However, if you're going to upload a spreadsheet with your email list, look down here. It says add emails by uploading a spreadsheet. They do let you know that it has to be a CSV file. So what you're going to do is click on browse and then choose the file. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up this upload. So here is the list. You can see there's 3 emails in this particular list that we are uploading into. So you have to choose these different options right here. So do you want these email subscribers to receive a welcome email? So if you're simply transferring over your service from another provider into Substack, you probably don't need to send a welcome email because these folks know who you are. However, if these are new subscribers, then maybe you want to go ahead and send a welcome email. If you do, make sure this box is checked. For me, I'm not going to do that. And then here, you need to say where this list came from because you can't be cold emailing people through your Substack. That's a good way to get your account closed down. So just go ahead and type in how you got these emails. So book marketing, opt in. Okay. And then have these people opted in to receiving emails. So you need to check this box. Okay. Next, you need to read this. It says adding readers who did not opt in can damage deliverability for everyone on Substack. So again, these folks had to have been opted in. Also, Substack has a trust and safety team. So if they feel like these emails were not acquired, how you said right here, it is possible they can close your account down. So just kind of keep that in mind. And next you want to click on import. Okay. A quick second later, the page refreshes. And if you scroll down, you're going to see this section here called your imports. It says the import status, it's importing. So it usually takes, in my experience, a few minutes, but I guess that really depends on how many emails you're going to be uploading into your Substack account. This is only 3. So let me go ahead and refresh this. Okay. So I'm recording this at 5:18 p.m. You can see that we started at 5:17. So it took about 1 minute. I refreshed about 2 or 3 different times. And then now these emails have been added. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to import or upload an email list into your Substack, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.